Okay, guys, be honest. How many times have you skipped adding an email sign-up section to your store just because you thought it would take too much time to set up properly? Well, this section takes literally seconds to add and customize. Today, we're adding this newsletter sign-up section to your store, and honestly, it's such a great way to start building your email list right from your homepage. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Newsletter. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where all your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down here, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and just like that, the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once it's ready, click on Add Section and search for News, then choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and click on the section, and here you'll see all the settings you can customize. First option here is the wave color. Click on it and choose any color you'd like. Right now, I'll go with black. Right below that, you'll find another option called Wave Fill Color. Let's change that one to white. I'll just go ahead and change all the colors one by one according to my own preference. I've updated all the colors now, things like the hover effect, text color, section background color, and the wave colors too. Now it's time to update the text according to your store. So let's change this from emails to family. Here you can also increase or decrease the size and change the font weight too. Right now it's set to semi-bold, but I'll leave that one as is. Now let's scroll down and change the font family. Poppins is my personal favorite, so let's select that and hit Done. Let's scroll down again, and here you can also change the body text based on whatever fits your store's tone. I think this is more than enough customization for our store, so let's hit Save and check it out in view mode. Honestly, this looks pretty clean for something that took just a couple of minutes to set up. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.